LT1, starting at $33,600. As shown, $33,600. LT, 319 miles. EPI estimated electric range with FWD. 17.7-inch, diagonal center screen. Largest among EVs in its class. Over 15, standard safety and driver assistance features. The no-compromise electric SUV. 319 miles EPI estimated range with FWD. 307 miles EPI estimated range with available AWD. Over 15 standard safety and driver assistance features. 17.7-inch diagonal center touchscreen. 19-inch wheels. 11.5 kilowatts onboard charging. Adaptive cruise control. Equinox EV. 2025. Equinox EV. As shown $41,900. Build and buy. View inventory. $33,600. Starting at 319 miles. EPA estimated electric range with FWD. 17.7-inch, diagonal center screen. Largest among EVs in its class. Over 15, standard safety and driver assistance features. 2025 Equinox EV. 0% APR for 60 months. For well-qualified buyers when you finance with GM Financial. Plus, $1,250 Costco executive member incentive or non-executive member incentive of $1,000 toward the purchase or lease. Learn more. View inventory. America's most affordable 315-plus mile range EV. Model exterior interior. LT, black. Build your own. There's an Equinox EV for everyone. Experience Equinox EV 059. Compare 3 Equinox EV models. LT1, starting at $33,600. As shown, $33,600. The no-compromise electric SUV. 319 miles EPI estimated range with FWD. 307 miles EPI estimated range with available AWD. Over 15 standard safety and driver assistance features. 17.7-inch diagonal center touchscreen. 19-inch wheels. 11.5 kilowatts onboard charging. Adaptive cruise control. View inventory. Build and buy. LT2, starting at $41,900. As shown, $41,900. A step forward in style and convenience. 319 miles EPI estimated range with FWD. Front LED light bar and roof rails. Heated steering wheel, front seats and mirrors. Standard Chevy safety assistant safety and driver assistance features. Wireless phone charging, RS, starting at $43,400. As shown, $44,395. Bold and sporty design, 319 miles EPA estimated range with FWD. Standard Chevy safety assistant safety and driver assistance features such as HD surround vision. 17.7-inch diagonal center touchscreen with Google built-in compatibility. Black emblems, mirrors and 21-inch black wheels. Electrifying style. Sleek lines and a commanding stance define the exterior of Equinox EV, while the no-compromises interior has the cargo room and storage that let you do you. It's a design package that's seriously stylish. Available Level 2 charger. Charging at home is so simple it will fit seamlessly into your routine. More than 250K public chargers. With access to over 250,000 chargers across North America, it's easy to charge while you're on the go. My Chevrolet mobile app. Use the My Chevrolet mobile app to plan the best routes and find available public chargers.